Most people get this wrong. They assume every e-commerce platform works the same, but Shopify and PayHip have very different strengths, especially for dropshipping. Today, they'll break it down so you can pick the right platform for your business. Shopify is a full-featured e-commerce platform designed for scalability. It offers thousands of apps, themes, and integrations, including popular dropshipping apps like Oberlo and Spocket. This makes it easy to import products, manage inventory, and automate order fulfillment. For example, I set up a Shopify dropshipping store and connected it to Spocket. Orders were automatically sent to suppliers, saving hours of manual work each week. PayHip, on the other hand, is simpler and more focused on digital sales, but it can also support dropshipping physical products with some manual work. Its key advantages are lower fees and a straightforward setup. You can get a store running in minutes without worrying about hosting, app integrations, or subscription costs. When it comes to pricing, Shopify charges a monthly fee starting around $39 and takes transaction fees unless you use Shopify Payments. PayHip only charges a small fee per sale, making it cheaper for smaller stores or hobby sellers. The downside, Shopify's learning curve can be steep for beginners, and apps add extra costs. PayHip lacks advanced automation, so scaling a dropshipping business may require more manual effort. In conclusion, choose Shopify if you want a scalable, automated dropshipping store with lots of integrations. Choose PayHip if you're starting small, want minimal upfront costs, and don't mind handling some manual processes. Subscribe for more e-commerce comparisons and tips to help you grow your online store efficiently.